Good morning, family. This is Linda. I hope you all having a beautiful Wednesday morning. It's Wednesday. Yes, but I am making breakfast this morning. It's very early in the morning. And yeah, yesterday I had a long day. It was a good day, but it was very long. So here I'm chopping up some parsley that I went and got from my garden. And I put some butter in this bowl with this parsley, and I'm going to put it in a microwave and just melt it for a little bit. All right. Now, this is just some pop can biscuits I have in my refrigerator. And now I'm just going to cut these biscuits up. Now, I have a cast iron skillet right there. And what I've done, I put some butter in that skillet and I put it in the oven so that skillet is hot. And I'm going to cut these biscuits in any shape or form I want to, because really, I think my eyes was closed at some point. And I'm just putting these biscuit pieces in my cast iron skillet. Now, when you make your skillet hot before putting your biscuits in, it makes a nice crust at the bottom of your biscuits. It also do the same thing for cornbread, right? So I'm just cutting them in all kinds of shapes. It doesn't matter, y'all. Yeah, just small pieces. That's it. If I could define it like that, just small pieces. I'm just cutting it. And I'm just going to get them all snugged up in this little cast iron skillet that I love cast iron skillet. It just, yep, it makes everything just taste so good to me. Yeah. So I did go out and get some mint also for another part of my breakfast this morning. Yeah, I got that. But all right, so now I done chopped everything up, and now I'm going to share with you my next step of what I'm going to do with these biscuits. Now I thought that was the last one. Now you can't hear what's going on, but there, my coffee pot she is growling back there. That's the sound my coffee pot have. Hey, hey. Yeah, but it sounds like a bear. My friends, yeah, they tease me. They say Linda got that bear loose in here this morning. So here is my biscuits in my skillet, and now I'm gonna put some uh this triple. I think it's triple cheese. I'll share it with you in a second. There it is, triple cheddar cheese. Yeah, and guys, if you've been around, then I do love cheese and bread. That's just my thing. Now, if you were making this dish, you could just put as much cheese on this thing as you want. I didn't put that very much, but I put enough. I put enough. And now I'm just putting in my butter and my parsley. I'm just putting it all over the top of these little biscuit pieces. Yeah. And it was just so good. So good. And this is the way it looked before it went in the oven. And that is the way it looked when I took it out of the oven. And oh my, but I'm going to share with you the back of the biscuits. And this is the thing what the heating up that cast iron does, right? So if I do it really soon, there we go. And it makes this huge, this delicious crust on the back of that from the cheese. It was just so good. So good. And they just pull apart. Now here I have some strawberries and blueberries. I have some sausage, turkey sausage over there. And in my little bowl, those are my little Dollar Tree bowls, y'all. They are just the coolest little things. Um, Yeah, those are turkey sausages, right? And that is a gave also in that bowl that I'm gonna dip my little biscuits in. It's a gave, yes, and yeah, yeah, who that? Mm-hmm. It's have some community coffee and chicory in it, and that's my Saints cup, y'all. Mm-hmm. And the biscuits, they were just delicious, absolutely. Now, of course, you can make your own biscuits and do the same thing. It's just that, hey, I had these little pop can biscuits, and they were perfect for what I needed this morning. Very good, quick and fast, and delicious. Yeah. But I hope you all have a beautiful day. I thank you all for being at the live last night. Thank you, Cherie. At home with Cherie for being a guest here on my show last night. It was wonderful. I enjoyed it. And I hope and pray that you all have a beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. Later, y'all.